To get best and available promo codes for Cibil subscription and to get off on the Cibil subscription, you simply have to search on your browser and search for this website, that is Casually. And in this, on the home page, you will see there is a lot of choices in front of you for the monthly basic plan, 75% off, 81% off on your subscription whenever you will take it on the Cibil website. Now, this is the best way to get available discount coupons and the genuine codes for any website from this third party website. You can simply search it on your Chrome, like search for Cibil promo codes, and then it will appear you. Now I have clicked one of the promo codes available and it will redirect me to the official Cibil website. And there, whenever I will try to sign in as a new user and I want to get discount in the Cibil subscription, then I will get this offer redeemed on my payment page on the Cibil. This is all about how you can get a promo code for Cibil subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video.